Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube right now, Minecraft, and today we will be doing Minecraft once again. And I've been thinking, anyone that speaks not English, please learn. Because I only speak Spanish and English, so go for one of those two, if you would. Sorry about this. Oh, don't let that go on! Okay, there we go. I'm sorry, guys. Please send me some mine bucks for Minecraft, because I bet you all know what that is, and I just said that'd be stupid. So, yeah, whatever the heck is going on, work for me! Okay, so, yeah, please do it, so I can get my own skin. Cause me, I'm only Steve, and I'm betting you guys are hating that. So, go to the link in the description below, so, you can play with me on Minecraft. Cause, and I can actually have fun with some of my viewers that I probably don't even have. Cause yeah, I only have like 3 or 4 subscribers. But yeah, okay, that doesn't matter right now, does it? Yeah. Finally, options. Oh my, for Pete's sake. Why won't this work? What's going on? My computer. Okay. Skin customize. Capes on. Left. Videos. Smooth. Okay, sorry about this, guys. So sorry. Okay, so I'm thinking we could like make a new world, and I've been watching some YouTubers that they have there's something I don't know, but it's just actually so yeah. Okay, this is the hard one. Your owner is a city called name, and whoops. The role name is happy name, and then options. State name, and it doesn't even have any cheats. It doesn't allow cheats. So yeah, it's gonna be hard. Okay, new world. Okay, so let's go on right into it. I don't know why it takes forever. Okay. Hurry up. It's only 84, 96. Finally. Finally. Okay, let me in. This is weird and crazy. Have I spawned on an island? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Wait. Is that what I see? Who sees that? Okay, what's that? This is weird. Okay, much better, I think. Okay. Guess I'm stuck on this island. But who cares? I have cheats on. Yeah. Are you guys still getting this? Good for you. Okay, good. So where are we heading, boys? Okay. So this is just the beginning. So let's just go slash. Give wood. It's gonna know. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's just craft. Dang, I think it's gonna be enough. Okay. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. So you know what I'll be doing for the rest of most of the videos. Okay, so bye. Good. Bye. Oh my, wait, if you're still on right now, okay. Okay, and I'm sorry, I stopped the video here. Good boy.